Are you craving a restaurant-worthy meal without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. We're taking an affordable jar of Alfredo sauce and transforming it into a rich and decadent sauce for our incredible gourmet chicken stuff with sausage, bell pepper, and spinach. So, get ready to elevate your weeknight dinner. Start by placing plastic wrap on a flat surface. Arrange the 3 chicken pieces on one half of the plastic wrap, then fold the other half over them. Then use a mallet to flatten each piece. Repeat this for a total of 12 to 14 chicken pieces. To prepare the stuffing, take 500 grams of Italian sausage, slit the casings with a knife, and remove the sausage meat and place them in a bowl. Lay a piece of chicken flat and add roughly 2 tablespoons of the sausage stuffing to the center. The next step is to take a red and a green bell pepper, slice them into pieces until you have approximately 1 cup of each color. Arrange a couple of red and green pepper slices on either side of the sausage. Let's add a touch of green by sauteing 4 cups of fresh baby spinach. Then add about a tablespoon of sauteed spinach on top of the sausage filling. Now carefully fold one side of the flattened chicken over the filling. Use toothpicks to secure the edges and keep the stuffing inside. Continue stuffing and securing the remaining chicken, placing each one on a baking sheet. The next step is to lightly coat the top and sides of each stuffed chicken with cooking oil. After that, sprinkle salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Finally, transfer the baking sheet to the preheated oven, set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 30 minutes. Let's turn this budget Alfredo into the most delicious sauce you ever had. Heat 400 ml of store-bought Alfredo sauce over medium heat, then stir in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of Maggi sauce for that umami flavor. Stir in 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard to add a touch of tang. Then stir until everything is fully combined. Reduce the heat to low, then slice about 200 grams of cremini mushroom. Cook the mushrooms, stirring occasionally until they are tender. To further enhance the flavor, let's add about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and about 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Now, carefully place the baked stuffed chicken into the simmering Alfredo sauce so it can absorb all those wonderful flavors. Allow that to cook for another 5 minutes. To finish this beautiful dish, we'll sprinkle the top with a leftover diced red and green peppers and some freshly chopped parsley. And that's it! A simple shortcut to a delicious and hearty meal. Serve with your favorite sides for a perfect weeknight dinner. We love to see you try this recipe, and we'd be thrilled if you share your experience in the comment below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe so we can share more quick, easy, and delicious recipes with you.